still have Apex, right?
No, I haven't done Apex in a while.
I know. That's why. It's cheap, but I'm like, man, nope. I was like, my boy Duane, he said, nah.
I don't touch it. I honestly don't touch it only because, like, yes, you could pass the evals pretty quick, but then you have the activation fee. And then on top of the activation fee, when you go get a payout, you gotta trade for the 8 days and then wait for another like 7.
Oh no.
You know what I'm saying? Like, and that's if you get approved. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society and YouTube. Good morning, everyone. Hopefully you're having a solid hump day. It's Wednesday, February 11th. Crazy to even say that. This year is flying by. But we are here. We're ready to execute. We're going to make some money today. But for me at this point, G, like when it comes to the prop firms, everything like that, I'm just looking for firms that pay fast, that have decent rules for the trader. Like anything over the top, like Apex has a whole lot of extra rules that you have to pay attention to. So for me, that's why I don't trade them. It's not trader friendly for a beginner trader. Like, could I take payouts with them? Current 100%. But for a brand new trader that's coming to these streams or coming to the community, they're going to have difficulties getting payouts from Apex. How do I know? Because I had difficulties getting payouts.
I remember recently, like, man. I remember.
Good morning, Smooth.
See that jump up in the man, what the market did. Now I think the market is going to be a bearish market.
Yeah. Well, we had that 8:30 news. We had the non-farm payroll come out this morning. And literally, if you look at, this is actually a really good tutorial for today. If you look at the 8:30 news this morning, what do you see? What do you see? We printed
a bull flag.
We were printing bull flags. So, and my favorite line is the market always repeats itself.
Yep.
We printed multiple. Good morning, Steve. The market always repeats itself when it comes to flags. And it gives you the direction every single time
where it wants to go
of what it's trying to do. So, unless we print a bear flag, which I see a small bear flag trying to print on the 2-minute. But for me, this is, since we were already printing bull flags, it's not that I'm bullish, but I'm not going to fight it either. I'm not going to, if I see a couple bull flags, I'm not going to fight it.
This is bullish.
Good morning, everybody.
Shit,
so,
good morning to the world.
So I'll be waiting, possibly come market open, we drop down a little bit. Test this pivot point below us.
Do we have any news, by the way?
We had news at 8:30 this morning.
Okay.
That's the big pop-up on the chart.
Yeah, because I can't even
Good morning, Brett.
the economics, the page on Tradify yet.
Yeah, their journal, they were doing an update, which they need to get fixed so that way I can see my stats, because I like looking at the numbers. Because right now you can't even see the journal at all. So
okay, so it's not just me, because they took it away because it was like it's gonna show up back tomorrow on my account there. So.
yeah, no one can see
I don't
it.
even need them for streaming anymore since I have my Ninja trading account, so I can see live feed now. So
nice. So as it sits right now, we have a pivot point at 403.25. Well, 403.75. 403.75. Current 21 EMA sitting at 399 even. 399 even. We have another pivot point below us, 301. 301 even.
301 in the house.
And then we got our VWAP currently sitting at 299.50. 299.50. So I'm honestly going to see what we get here. I'm excited to trade today. I made too much money in one of my accounts yesterday. It's one of my growth accounts, which has the consistency rule. So I gotta put in like another 1,000 in the account in order for me to get a payout on that account. But once I put the 1,000 in, that will put that account just over like $6,500. So we'll take that. I'm on the 2-minute chart, bro. So all of the stuff I was talking about is on the 2-minute chart. Are you on a different time frame? And I want to thank you. Can't talk anymore. I want to thank everyone for tuning into these streams, for the market makers, the founders of the community. We officially got fully monetized this morning. So after the stream, I'll turn everything on for that.
So every time I say jive turkey, I make at least $1.
You gonna be saying jive turkey a lot then? If you're getting paid $1 every time, jive turkey. What was that, jive turkey? Hey, jive turkey. Where's the VWAP at? Like, it'd be nonstop.
I'm gonna put it on a record like a DJ. Jive turkey.
Everybody's name is gonna be jive turkey.
Yeah. Good morning, Jose.
Morning. Morning, Jose.
Good morning, everybody.
Oh man, I'm ready for the market open. I realized waking up today, I did not go to bed late last night. But I can no longer. I don't think I could drink orange juice anymore. Every time I drink orange juice, I wake up feeling horribly. I don't know why.
Are you sure it wasn't on the vodka you put in with it?
That may be it, actually.
I don't know. I got a couple notifications from YouTube last night, like late.
Well, mine's always turned. My notifications on my phone are turned off when I go to sleep because my phone be going off the hook.
Oh yeah.
Because since I do own a business that never sleeps, that runs 24/7, 365. Like, we have multiple apps for my business, so all that stuff will just be going off the entire night.
Yeah, you got your managers at night. They'll get you something really important going on.
Yeah, they're thankfully set on as emergency contact, so if something does happen that I'm needed for and they call me, my phone does ring. But it's a select few that goes for it. Literally my managers, my family, that's it. We got less than 3 minutes, well, 2 minutes now for market open here. 2 minutes now. We just printed another little bull flag. But we got that selling pressure on that wick. So we're going to see what we get here. But looking at that 5 minute, that's looking like a bull flag. Come on, Betsy. We trying to make some monies today. I'm trying to get a solid payout this week. That's what I'm working on right now. Solid payout. Let's see. Today's Wednesday. Got my handy dandy calculator here. Let's see here. With these accounts. So I need to make, if I'm just trying to take a payout on Friday from these three accounts, I literally just need to do about like 500 a day per account, and that would put me right where I want to be at across the board. So we'll see what happens. I'm not going to push it because I told myself
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Thank you, Jose. We got 30 seconds for market opens, folks.
Oh,
Hopefully you guys are ready.
ready and steady, baby.
Ready and steady. I like that. I like that. Brett, how you feeling this morning, sir?
Let's kill it, Dr. D.
Let's see here.
Here we go.
There's market open. Well, Brett, I hope today you'll be better than all right. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited for you today, sir. Everyone base hits. Don't swing for the fence. Don't want to see any of you guys get struck out today. Base hits gets the payouts. So there's that bull flag. Woo! Just went through the the overnight high, yesterday's high as well. I low-key want to jump in right now. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, on the first candle, get out of town. Yeah, it's like being in an 1800 Protestant church. The first message of the day is, we do not sin in the first 15 minutes in the glory of the Lord. And here, like the first 1 minute candles there, it's like, I want to jump in.
No, it's because I called that bull flag.
I did bull flag on you, man.
Luckily, right now, it's helping me that we're consolidating slightly, so it's not making me as eager to jump in. We got that big old wick on that candle. So, that's all. I'm a human too, okay? I'm a human day trader as well.
Before the YouTube stream and all that, G was there. He can testify. We decided you were a robot, remember? Because you freeze up on the thing, and you'd still be talking. So
hopefully, I'm not freezing up no more.
No, I mean, it was like the stream would stop and you'd still be talking. It's like, how's that happen?
Okay, come on, market. Come on, Betsy. 13 more minutes. 13 more minutes. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm just looking for some clean moves today. Well, there's that selling pressure. Not liking that 5-minute candle. Come on, Betsy. Are we going to test this pivot point? We're tapping we just tapped the 21 EMA there. We got this pivot at 403.75. I want to see how we react at that pivot. Because we're getting closer and closer to it. And then the bulls step in. So there we go. There's that pivot. All right, where are we going to be going? That 5-minute candle's looking pretty wild. We get below this pivot point, I'd probably say we may try retesting the VWAP all the way down at 321.75. What's up, time? Back through that pivot. Yeah, I feel like we're going to come on down to that VWAP.
So you're doing your 1 minute orb strategy, just a candle and then go.
Well, not doing a 1 minute. I'm just looking at what we got here.
I just see that. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Like right now, it's taking everything in me not to jump in here.
He's got a screen off camera. He's like blowing it up.
No, not blowing anything up. I'm trying to get a payout. So
I'm making jokes here.
no, I know you are. I know you are, Steve. Nice time. That's awesome, bro. Congrats on the 700 win. Your boy's been ready at FOMO, but I'm not going to do it.
Not gonna do it. Would be prudent.
Order filled. Anyways.
Order filled.
Now we're back above that pivot point. This is making me feel a little bit better because we're just going up and downs right now. So, but I feel like below the pivot, that VWAP wants to get touched. Well, it definitely can times. That's why right now we're looking at the 2 minute, the 5 minute. Just trying to see what we get. We're inching closer and closer to the VWAP here. We do have that wick on this 2 minute candle here, showing that buying pressure trying to step in there. If Moose was here, he would say, are we going to have a big retracement of the news candle today? Come on, 946. Ready to make some monies. I'm just honestly hoping we don't chop how we did after the moves yesterday for the morning session. Yeah, because after the moves, we just chopped. Come on, Betsy. It's taking a sweet time, but it looks like it wants that VWAP. It wants that VWAP. We have a pivot point at 301 as well. 301 for another pivot point below us here.
Sales?
Huh?
We looking at sales buys. Oh my goodness.
I've been looking at sells, but I'm not clear to trade yet. So it's been painful. Not gonna lie, it's been painful.
No pain, no gain.
I don't want to hear that right now.
We did strawberry for the first 15 minutes so far.
But we do have these wicks on the bottom of these candles. So if you are going to short, be careful. You don't want to short into these buying wicks. I would have been done for the day. If I was trading the first 15 minutes, we probably would have already been done for the day.
That's a nice drop.
Mooser, good morning, sir.
Little retracement right here. Beautiful.
Huh?
What?
What? Okay.
It's gonna
They're
drop
supposed to come the other day.
It's gonna at least 328. Oh man. So I figured out I'm gonna download something called VMware or VAware. It helps you run the Ninja Trader 8 on the Macs.
Well, sorry, it may get a little bit noisy here in a little bit because these people were supposed to come like last week. My tree people, they're gonna be cutting a palm tree right outside over here in front of this window.
Oh, so they'll be looking in like, what are you doing, son?
But no,
Hey,
they did not
Moose-
communicate they were coming today.
Listen, Moose said something very interesting. He's going to be trying to work on making Ninja Trader work on a Mac. So he'll be doing that heavy lifting. So like maybe you can teach the next person that is Mac based, because he, kind of is the Mac daddy.
That he is, and that's awesome because I want to put Ninja on my Mac as well, but I didn't feel like getting all the extra little software to be able to do so because I was concerned that it may lag a little bit more. Good morning, BP.
So I spoke to my my trusted friend Chat. Her name is
Okay.
Soul, right? So I spoke to Soul, and she said that the program that I'm gonna run is free, and it's only limited if you're trying to do like professional stuff. So I asked if it was gonna work on Ninja Trader, and it said yes, it worked perfectly fine. And it's gonna tell me how to run it, how to download the software, just so I can just run the Ninja Trader on my Mac.
Okay. No, once you do it, let me know how it's working for you.
Yeah, for sure. Because the trading rate, like you said, the candles are different, right? They're squares. Yours are actually candles on Ninja Trader.
Yeah.
These don't have the little wicks, which when I watched the video, it actually helps understand the wick, the candle structure on the Renkos.
Yeah, we just put in another bear flag right there. Let's see if it gets ready to pay. Let's see if the momentum continues through my yellow line here. But I'm not clear to trade yet. That's the annoying part. Raven, glad it worked for you. What was that?
Flag on the two.
Yeah, I'm on the two. That's what I'm looking at.
Oh, question.
Answer.
Do you change your wrinkles to the same time as you do on your regular candles? Like let's say right now you're looking at 2. You change your wrinkle time to 2?
No. Nope. You leave the wrinkles alone. So you set them and you never touch them.
Set them and forget them.
Okay. So what do you have on?
So mine, it's not a time frame. It's the amount of the price actions moving.
Yeah.
That's what's printing the bars.
So
it's set for 8-4. So it has to move like the price has to move like 4 ticks before it will print a bar. Something like that. Something like that. But when I'm using like Trade of 8 or Trading View, those Rinkos, those is set for like the 1 second. That's the closest you get to my Ninja bars.
Oh, for 1 second.
Yeah.
Christ, hold on.
Good morning, soul brother. Welcome back, sir.
What?
I'm glad my soul brother's proud of me. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that. Mr. Wick. Broseph. Raven, question for you. Did you think the flags would work for you? Because I know you said you did it yesterday and it worked. I appreciate you trusting, but I'm happy that you were pleasantly surprised that it's so simple, it just works. If you keep it simple, you will make money at trading. And that's real.
I did set my I also googled what you said by the 8-4.
Yeah.
I googled that and it's compatible to send boxes or whatever it squares on TradeAway.
Mm-hmm.
Now that you say you put it at 1 second, and I'm looking at your chart, it kind of looks very similar to it.
Well, it doesn't go strictly on by time, because if your traders overnight, they're not moving the same.
Yeah.
No, overnight sucked. I checked it out.
No, but I'm just saying, it's like, you know, the Rinkos will move sometimes faster than other times. It's like,
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I checked it out on overnight on the Asian, and it didn't move the same.
Yeah, that's why I prefer the New York session, because we have enough volume for this session where you can actually read the Rinkos cleaner to execute. You can still read them for the overnight sessions. It's just moving a whole lot slower.
Yeah, for sure.
And I like speed.
Yeah.
Not the need for speed.
Okay.
Our range, thank you for that, Steve. Our high for the 15-minute range, 465.25. 465.25. That's the high of the 15-minute range here. The low is 339.50. 339.50 is the low. Let's see if we build out a little bull flag right here, because your boy's been itching. Your boy has been itching, ready to take a trade. That 21 EMA is holding us up. We did tap that pivot. If we lose the 21 EMA, which we just lost pretty aggressively there. Let's see what we get, because looking at that 5 minute, look at that big old wick on that candle. Same here, John. Same here.
Do you have any EMAs on your Rinkos? All right.
No. I keep my Rinkos completely clean with nothing.
Okay.
have you ever tried with the MACD on the Rinkos?
With the what?
The MACD.
What's the MACD?
Oh, so it's a volume indicator.
Yeah, it's another volume indicator. I was wondering if you ever did it like that.
Oh, no, I have not. This is what you see is I put this all together in August 2024. It took me 5 months. I haven't looked at anything else because this works for me.
Yeah, I was just curious on your way there if you did it.
No, so I was introduced to the Rinkos back in 2022 by a family friend who was trying to teach my brother and dad how to trade. So he talked about the Rinkos. That's where I'm like, oh, those look pretty cool. But his strategy with Rinkos was not this strategy. I'll tell you that. Because his was you wait for like 3 lines, because there were some other indicators that would print on the Rinkos. You wait, if it prints 3 lines, you take a buy or sell depending upon the color. Yeah, you took so many trades and you lost so much money, it was crazy.
Yeah, it seems like when it's chopping, it's gonna cut you to death on that one.
So, and that's what had me interested back then, because Buddy was teaching my dad and brother how to trade using his strategy. And I tried it. And I lost 10 grand of personal funds. I'm like, yeah, no, I'm good.
But that was the best money you ever spent, because that's what made you dial down and come up with your own thing. And look at you now.
Yeah, 2 years later, because I gave up on trading. I'm like, yeah, this is a scam. Trading's a scam. That's what I was saying back then. BP's been 50-50 chop day. Hopefully not.
So after that 10 grand you lost, how much you made after that?
How much did I make after that?
50 grand.
Losing that 10 grand.
Well, I actually technically I would have lost 12 grand because I made 2 grand on my first day of trading with the 10. But since then, I would have to add everything up.
He's making
But
$14.23.
Below, it's not 6 figures last year, but it was a healthy profit. I'll say that. Probably about 60, 70,000 last year just from trading.
That's crazy. See, bro, that's like quadruple.
What's up, Niner?
Get back, man. So what's up? See, you losing like 12 grand. Look at that. Got you that almost close to getting 6 figures back. So.
I'm not complaining. I paid my tuition. I paid my tuition, so.
You paid the tuition.
Pay the tuition, and now I'm just dialed in, shooting for 500K this year in payouts. Oh, are we gonna break my line? Come on, Betsy. At least break it on the 2-minute. 500K is a crazy start. Well, it's not the start, bro. That's the goal for this year. Last year was technically the start. I'm sorry for the chainsaw going. My tree guys are cutting down a palm tree in front of my house.
I can't really hear, here, so.
Okay, well, y'all will hear it in a sec because I can hear it.
So you're facing the front of your house right now, and then they're like right out front?
Yeah, so I have a palm tree directly outside one of my windows right here in my office.
Yeah.
So once they start cutting, you'll know. Yep, this is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq.
Are they taking the whole tree down, or are they just like pruning it?
No, taking the whole tree down is dead. I want to catch it before, like, if it has like a disease or whatever. I don't want to spread it to my other palm trees.
Yeah, totally.
Because I have just in my front, like 5, 6 palm trees in the front of my house. The real Florida living, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have the palm tree.
Florida giving.
All right, we're coming. I want to get through my yellow line with momentum.
You know what I hate about this? You gotta you have to move the chart all over every single time you wanna recenter it.
What was that?
You have to recenter your chart every single time here.
No, you don't. Which chart are you looking at?
The wrinkles on TraderWing.
Okay. I forget what you can push because I always struggle with that too sometimes.
There's a setting? Like a chart setting?
I believe so. Top chart is way too noisy, bro. If you don't know what the top chart is, Matt, I'm not going to deal with you like I did last night, bro. Like, either you come and learn or you could get kicked from the stream.
Send them to the VIP room.
I'm going to give him, like, I'm not going to do this with him today.
Send them to the VIP room.
Moose, so in your hit auto scale in your data series on Trade-Of-8.
Hey, hold on.
Thank you,
Auto-fit,
Smooth.
right?
Huh?
Auto fit?
Auto scale, yeah.
I don't have an auto scale. I have auto fit. I have where it says chart settings. I have histogram, show files, go to current bar, auto fit chart, and show market depth.
Click current bar or something like that. Try auto fit.
Yeah, I'm gonna auto fit it. See what it does.
Still waiting for this flag to pay us. Right now, market's not really moving. I feel like it's a night session. Palm trees down. They're just cutting it up because it was a massive one. It was a massive palm tree. Like a 50-foot ladder you couldn't even use to trim the palms on it. Okay, Delroy. Slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady, fam. Right now, we're just going sideways. And y'all know how I don't like sideways action because that's the worst action at trade. Sideways action. So hopefully BP's not going to be right today. Hopefully. I need some moves. There's the yellow line tap. Are we going to get the follow through though? Congrats. Well, thank you. I don't know what I did, but thank you. Not someone saying congrats in the chat. I'm like, oh, thank you. I don't know what I did.
Well, I just want to thank you for the noisy chart. We're going to get some momentum finally.
Hopefully we broke out of the 15-minute range there. We tapped the VWAP as well. Let's see what we do here. We are below my yellow line. I did not get filled.
Oh, man, you're still not filled.
Oh, God, that's horrible.
What in the world?
I'm going to get ready to close this one out. That was a horrible fill. Let's see if the Bears step in here. If not, I'll just close this out. Because that fill took forever.
That was I saw that in front of my eyes. Like, whoa.
Come on, Betsy, give me some money. Put me in the green. Take me to the pivot point. Give me the pivot touch. I closed it. We touched the pivot, 180 right there. Thankfully, I was able to get something on that one. That fill was horrible, so that has to be slightly nervous. I'm not going to lie. I'm just going to base hit it today. I want to put 500 per account, but the way that fill just, I got to be cautious. We're below that pivot. First target I have on my chart is 276. We got the close from yesterday, 257.25 below us as well. I want to see us lose this pivot point. Yeah, I closed out once we tap that pivot because what I've noticed, right? When it comes to when we touch the pivots, we either reject off of it or we bounce. So I did not want us to tap that pivot and then bounce off of it and push us back up. So that's why I closed. If someone's like, oh, why did he say for more? I'm not greedy. I'll take my base hit, especially on a bad fill trade.
Well, you also have a whole number right below that pivot too, so it's all kinds of fun.
Yep. 10 o'clock just hit. 10 o'clock just hit as well. Let's see if we build out another flag. Give us another flaggy flag. Losing that. The Bears want to lose this pivot, but these Bulls, man, they're holding us up. I want this first target. First target is 276.25. That's my first target here. What was that?
I said you'd like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag.
So you just let the Bulls like push it up a little bit, and then it'll just collapse on its own weight, and we go to downtown.
I'm good with that. I'm good with that one. We gotta get the slight push up. There we go. We just tapped the VWAP right there as well. We did not go back into the 15-minute range.
15-minute range.
All right, so we're still hanging out right below the 15-minute range here. So for me personally, I'll be waiting until we get below the pivot point to take a short once this flag is done. So I'll be waiting for where my cursor's at. I want to break these two candle wicks and take a short below the line down here. All right, Niner, have a good one. All right, there we go. The Bears are trying. They want to. They want to. There's my yellow line tap below the pivot. I want to see some more follow through here.
We need momentum, man.
$310 on that trade. I just closed out. Close out quick. But we keep it moving. Rotate to the next one. Not really smooth. I've just always done it that way, so I never went to the market, to be honest with you.
Where's our next target? Oh, great one.
Oh, great one. No, great one. So we did hit my 276.50 target. If we stay below the pivot and we get back to the 276, I'd be looking for 258 next. That's a 20 tick hit. It'll be more than 20 ticks, I think. But yeah. Yes, sir. Listen, the flags always pay when we have momentum. Keyword, when we have momentum. Do not just try trading flags by themselves. You got to add that momentum in there, and it's a game changer. All right, let's see if we build out another flag right here. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. I want to stay below this pivot point at this point, though, for me personally. I want to stay below that pivot. Smooth, once I'm done, I'll try on an eval. Because I ain't gonna do it on the funded. We're not gonna test something on the funded account. What's up, Ebony? Welcome. Coming back down to the 276 level. I want to get below 276. There we go. Come on, Betsy. I do not provide one-on-one sessions, but we do community calls in the Legacy Wealth Society. It's free to join, but in order to be part of one of those calls, you have to be on one of the paid tiers. If not, I do these streams right here on YouTube for free, so you can learn this way. The paid tiers are just for the people that want to fast track themselves to the profits. So we went up, tapped that pivot point. Come on, Bessie. What we doing? What we doing? Not liking this consolidation right here. I may just close out. Let's see if I can see some green here. I'll just close. I'm not liking the consolidation right now. Oh, I scratched. That's crazy. That's crazy. How I scratch. But it is what it is. And then it does it. Whatever. Whatever. I didn't like the price action. I did not like the price action, how it was dancing. And I was worried that it was going to possibly pop back up. All right, well, we just pushed through the close from yesterday. 213 would be my next target. 213 would be my next target here.
$14.80 on that trade.
Ooh, good job. At least one of us made money. I scratched on it.
No, I jumped in it before you did, so like I was like around that 500 range. And then,
Okay.
on to the next one.
Killing it. He's just like, geez, just like on to the next one.
Yep. Just rotate.
The man is stone cold, man. It's just like you're killing.
I love it. I love it.
I love it too.
Learn it from Duane, man. I'm learning it from him.
Sorry, I didn't hear that. G, what you make? Oh, stop more. What else?
1480. 1480.
Nice. That's awesome. Congrats, G.
I should have stayed. That would have been I would have been at 2 bands right now.
I should have stayed. I didn't like how it was dancing though. That's why I closed out. I'm like, let me just get out. And then it finally dropped. So that part was the agginess. At this point, I'll wait for another flag here. Because we are moving, it's just slow. Let's see if this is going to give us our next flag. Tonight, we got the Traders Hangout. 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. So make sure you guys come out and hang out with us. And today, we officially became fully monetized on YouTube as well. Appreciate all you guys that been tuning in, hanging out with us, and winning with us in the markets. Here comes my second target. I called out the 213. Let's see if we tap it. There we go. Right through my second target there. We didn't get another flag that I wanted, but hey, we hit the target. So we're coming down to yesterday's low as well. Quick 320 right there. Right now, we're just waterfalling right now. 154 is my next pivot point. My third target's below that at 150. Thank you. Man, look at this thing coming down. We're getting ready to hit new lows. 166 is the low from the overnight, I believe. No, 147. 147 is the low from the overnight sessions. Alrighty, got out there, added another like 200 something bucks. We just hit that pivot point as well. Getting ready to hit the overnight low at the 147 level. Oh, are we getting ready to just continue waterfalling? Are we going to continue waterfalling today? Smooth. Imagine, right? Imagine if I never got out of that scratch trade. But 540 in this account, I'm gonna rotate.
I added a 9 EMA to the Rankos, and it helps me read it a little better as well.
Okay.
Because if it goes, to me, what I'm watching is if it goes above the EMA, Like if I have, let's say, a couple dots over, I don't know, let's say 3, 4, whatever, then I'll say, okay, it might be going up more. Like it's more solidified. Rather than, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I use that as an exit point.
Fellas,
Yeah.
1270 on that trade.
Man, G is a monster. And make sure for everyone in the community, make sure you guys are posting in the discussion your wins and losses. Because at the end of the day, we've been slacking. Some of us have been slacking. So let's make sure we're posting there because it helps keep everyone accountable. BP, you should have been on the call, bro. You could have been telling us. Man. Yeah, that was this morning at 8:30. That was this morning at 8:30 for the non-farm payroll. So we had that big pump at 8:30 this morning because of the news that came out. Let's see if I want to get below. We already hit my third target. We made the new low at 141.75. We're printing, looks like a bear flag on the 2-minute here. But I want to get below my yellow line for me to take another short. But honestly, I want to get below that pivot. We got to get below that pivot too for me to want to short this bad boy. BP, you didn't fumble, bro. I know you were 50-50 on a chop day. There's that pivot touch. Well, if the market crashes, we're here for the ride. We'll waterfall all the way down. We're below the pivot right now. I need some more momentum here to get through my yellow line. I gotta get through that yellow line for me to want to take it. Kevin, I only do simple, bro. I only preach simple. The more simple your strategy is, the more money you're going to make. Less is more when it comes to trading. And that's real. Less is more when it comes to trading. You need 20 indicators? Definitely not. You do not need 20 indicators.
I'm chilling now. I'm chilling for the rest of the day.
Well, that's a smart man, sir. That's a smart man. You should be chilling. You already took all the money from the market. Well, you might as well chill, right?
I looked at it because, like the market, it was at its all-time high. So I'm like,
all right, just made new lows again. We went through my yellow line pretty quick, but bulls tried stepping in. And of course, the music would stop where I gotta put a new playlist on. But I'm also trying to focus on getting this trade. Bulls stepped in pretty quick there, so I don't want to short into a buying wick. Note to self, folks, do not short into a buying wick. You need 6-7? 6-7. I got kids, so that's all they do. Honestly, I'm gonna switch over to this. Where is it at? Where's it at? 977. I'm gonna switch over to this 150K account. This is an eval that I'm switching over to here. Since I'm gonna size up a little bit. Good job, Alfred. We're through my yellow line. But I need more follow through right now. All right, our fourth target is down here at 87. 87.50 is my fourth target here for today, which is crazy. Looks like we're going to crack 24,000 back in the 24,000s the way this thing's moving. Nvidia's going down too. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nellies. Anthony, on Tradeovate, you have Renko bars. Okay. Let's see what we get here. I would like a little push up, build out a little another bear flag to take us lower. Are you on Tradeovate? You just have to put the indicators on. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. Well, we're coming down to touch my fourth target here that I called out. Straight craziness. Here comes the fourth target at 87.75. There we go. Well, the targets aren't lying. The targets are not lying today. And we have a whole nother pivot point right below us here at 51.75 for the next target. That's the pivot point. I'll be targeting the pivot point. Twin, what's up, bro? Welcome back. I'm chilling, twin. I'm living the dream, bro. Made some money a day.
Duane, you might as well jumping on the cell, man. You dropping.
Yeah, you gotta wait for the. You gotta time it though, G. I can't just go short right now. I want.
Man, damn. Like I'm on the paper tree right now. I just stayed in. I'm at like 15 grand.
That's crazy. What's up, Chris? These flags work. I think I'm onto something. Chris, I think I'm onto something, fam. No. We're on to something. Glad the flags are paying you, bro. I want to see a flag print on like the 5 minute because we've been nothing but red. So, and look, if you look up here, this is the craziest part, right? If you're only trading on the 5 minute, like just to show you something, right? If you would have jumped in on the first initial bear flag and just held.
And stayed in it.
Straight crazy.
If you stayed in there till you
Straight craziness.
Shit.
But what do we know? The flags always repeat themselves. So let's see if we get a bear flag down here on the 5 minute. And if we do, we're going to take it. Chris, I'm glad you're feeling confident again, bro. Happy for you. I know 7. Come on, Betsy. What indicator are you talking about, Twin? Are you looking at the top chart, the bottom 2 charts? Which chart are you looking at? The top chart, that's not an indicator. Those are Renko bars. So the top chart, that's showing you the momentum of the market. So I use the top chart to read the momentum so I know when I should jump in for a buy or when I should jump in for a sell.
Crazy.
Yep, don't be greedy, G. Don't be greedy.
I look when the buy, I look when give it a new round. Drop it like this. Like I called it before the market even came out.
Twin, I did not invent Renko bars, no. They've been around for a very long time, but people don't know how to use them. All right, that selling pressure just stepped in hard right there. The way the sellers just stepped in. Ooh wee. Ooh
I think
wee.
it's gonna get to like 24,960 area. That's what I think it's gonna go.
What's up, Vaughn? What's up, Glass? What's up, everybody? Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets today. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. We're well over that today.
I got it at 19. I was seeing my big 19, man. So I don't know. You feel me?
Just trying to make a couple dollars. Glass, I already have a Zoom call going as well with my market makers on my private trading community. But you could shoot me a DM either in my community or on IG and we could chat. Glass, you could leave me a comment. I'm not going to be seeking you out, bro. You're on my stream. Appreciate you, man. Twin, where are you trading on? Are you on Ninja Trader or are you on Tradeovate or TradingView? Where are you on?
Me?
No. Talking to one of the guys in the chat.
Well, I'm Ninja Trader.
Oh, gee, I know what you on, bro. I know what you on. Come on now. We've been doing this together for how long? Enough time to know what you on, fam. How close are we to the payout? Okay. That's great. That's really good. Okay. I like that. All right, I feel like we're going to go test that third target here. Trading, I don't know about B2 Prime, Twin, but TradingView does have Renko bars. But I believe you had to pay for them on TradingView. Look at that selling pressure trying to set back in. I'm waiting to see if this flag on the 5-minute pays. If it doesn't, that's fine. But that's what I'm currently watching and see. Let's see if Tradeify got their journal working yet. Well, let me keep my mouse over here so that way if we come down and we break my yellow line, I can execute. I'll just use my left hand on this screen. Let's see here. Still no journal yet. Man. So I do see a small bull flag on the 2-minute here. But I would probably say this would be like the flag for the bear flag. You paid for TradingView, then you should have it. Well, Vaughn, 100%, bro. So I trade bull flags, bear flags, and momentum. You have to look for the flag, and hopefully we all know what a flag looks like at this point in our lives. Let me leave that one. Let me get some more lines here. I'll draw what I'm normally looking for. Bear with me, folks. I'm getting extra lines so I can do some drawings here for y'all. So we all know what a flag looks like on a pole, hopefully, by now. Whatever country you're tuning in from, picture that flag on the pole. So this is a bull flag right here. So I want to see momentum through this structure push up. So the pole shoots up, we'll push down. And for the bull flag, that means the market's going to go up. So we'll shoot up. So over here, we just printed a small bull flag and we went up. And vice versa. For the bear flag, it's literally an upside down flag. And I'm looking for the momentum to push through the bottom line to take us lower. And I use the Renko bars to wash the momentum. And that's all I do, folks. Nothing more, nothing less. I keep trading simple because the more you complicate it, the less money you'll make. So if you keep it simple, you'll actually make money. Glass, where were you looking at? Were you on the IG? Were you looking on YouTube? If it's on YouTube, just drop a comment on the vlog video. The last vlog I dropped like 2 days ago. All right, so we came up to my yellow line that I put up here. We rejected off of it. This is going to be a massive bear flag here. That's what I'm waiting to see, because if this is going to be another massive bear flag, best believe it's going to pay a lot of money. Now, I'm honestly good. If I don't take another trade, I'm not mad about it. Already made over $1,000 for the day in funded accounts. So we're chilling. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. Moose, how you doing over there, fam? How you doing?
I'm good. I just stuck away to make some breakfast real quick. I'm good though.
You're sounding like Mitch. You're sounding like Mitch.
Like, that was a big drop. So I'm like, yeah.
You're like, all right, I'm gonna walk away.
Yeah.
Smart man.
This side. Hey, when you're trading the trading rate, I know I'm sorry about keep asking the same question.
No, you're good.
Do you still feel you need the little wicks on the candles on your wrinkles? Because that's really the only reason I want to get the Ninja Trader.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's really the only reason.
Honestly, the way I normally do it, I like having the wicks because it's letting you know what direction, like who's stepping in for buying or selling.
Gotcha.
That's why I like the wicks. But when I'm trading Tradevate when I'm traveling, I'm normally okay not having them because it's set for the 1 second. So I'm looking for the straight momentum.
Gotcha. Okay.
But I do like using the trading view Renkos as well, because on those they do have the wicks, and on top of that, it tells you on the far right side of the screen where your price is. It's showing you who's buying or who's selling. It shows you like a ghost candle for the price. So it'll show green up top or red let you know what direction, who's like stepping in at that exact moment.
Oh, so the trading view ones are really good then.
I do like the trading view ones, but I'm so used to my Renkos on Ninja. That's why I didn't switch over just to the trading view Renkos.
Okay. All right. That's good.
Vaughn, yes, I go live every single morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time for the New York session. And then every single night of the week, we go live once again at 9:30 p.m. Eastern time for the Traders Hangout. That's where we talk about trading, we talk life, and everything in between. At what amount of capital? Oh, honestly, I love trading with prop firms. And if you're a solid trader, you can get rich off of prop firms. Trading with prop firms. So right now, I'm gonna wait till we get another bull flag. So I could possibly take another trade. But the momentum really has to be there for me to want to jump in since I'm green across all accounts today. Just so you know, I dropped a vlog 2 days ago for my Canada trip, because for all new people in here, what I'm doing this year, I'm doing something different. I'm on a trading tour. So every single month, I'm traveling to a new country or state, visiting Legacy Wealth Society members and YouTube subscribers, meeting up with y'all in person. We're streaming it, we're vlogging it, and I'm doing it to show you guys that trading is real. I don't know about y'all, but I got tired of seeing all these fake gurus on social media saying they make all this money standing in front of the rented Ferrari or the rented mansion and just selling courses. I'm showing you guys an everyday guy can win at this, so that should let you know you can win at this. That's why I'm traveling around the globe this year for you guys and streaming it as well, because I want to be not a motivation. I just want to be, hey, Duane did it, so if he did it, I could do it. Because a lot of us, we need to see someone actually winning to truly believe that we can win. So I'm showing y'all every single day what's achievable with this, because this is the best thing any one of us could ever do for ourselves. And that's real. Come on, Betsy. I would really like to see a bull flag, but that's just me. I would like to see a flag print. Right back down to that pivot point there. So just wait and see. Vaughn, I've been trading now for 1 year and 7 months. 5 of those months I was building my strategy that I use each and every day here. Go ahead and push it, Bulls. They stalled right there. Come on, bully bulls. I do not like this price action right now. And then as soon as I close it, it does that. But I came up with my strategy, trial by fire, to be honest with you. Trial by fire. I took 5 months from August 2024 through December that same year in the markets. I blew over 100 evals with Apex. I did all of it trying to perfect my strategy. And honestly, I'm glad I took that time to put it together because it simply prints money each and every day. And no, this is not financial advice. There's risk to trading. Just saying. I got to do that to stay compliant here. Because for myself, I built my strategy for me. I need simple. Oh, I thought my internet went out because the music stopped. But I built my strategy for me because I need simple. I own businesses offline, and you have to keep everything simple if you want to be successful. So I can't have a million indicators on my charts. I can't have all these different strategies that I'm trying to figure out. That's why I built my one simple system that if you use it, it simply works. Nature Boy, I started back in 22 in February. Actually, I put 10 grand into a brokerage account. I lost all 10 grand within 2 weeks. And I was telling people trading is a scam. It doesn't work. And then me and my brother talked in July 2024 about trading because he was trading with a prop firm with Apex. He told me what a prop firm was. I'm like, that sounds pretty interesting. Since back in 2022, 2 years earlier, I lost 10K of my own personal money. So that's why I jumped on with prop firms. And that's when I started learning, building the strategy out. It's been history. But I recommend everyone trade with the prop firm. Do not risk your own capital. There's no reason to. So anyone can start trading with a prop firm with $100, and it's such a life hack. All right, we just pushed back below that pivot point there. And that's looking like a flag on that 5 minute. I'm not gonna lie, that's looking like a flag on the 5 minute. But I would want us to come on further down here to really give me that confirmation. Want to get away from this pivot. Pivot points act as magnets. So when we're near them, just know they're going to keep getting tapped. All right, so we got that selling wick right there on the 2 minute and the 5 minute. I'm gonna probably just rotate over to an eval at this point, just so that way I'm not risking my funded accounts since we are up today. Did I trade the wrong? I think I did. I think I did, boys and ladies. I think I did. Let's see. Man, I traded the wrong account, but that's all right. I'll put a trade on this one. This is an eval I just switched over to. Let's see what we get here. I'm not trying to buy into these selling wigs. Like, that's a hack for you people. Do not buy into a selling wick and do not sell into a buying wick. That alone will save you so much energy and money. All right, so we're clearing out some wicks there to make a higher wick. All right, just made a new higher wick there as well. Hit the our second target from earlier today. Hit our second target there. Let's see if we keep going pushing up through it. If we do, I'll take a buy here, since we cleared all those previous candle wicks. Wants to use this second target as support. There we go. Well, that account just got passed. Quick 1140 right there.
Nice.
And it's literally that simple. It's nice, but I can't even activate it. So.
Why not?
Because I'm fully funded with Tradeify.
So you can pass it, but you can't activate it until you fail one of them?
Yep. Until I blow one of my funded accounts.
Yeah, I got $30. You want it? You want to sell it?
If I could, I would, Moose. If I could, I would. There's actually like companies that you could pay them to pass your account, which is crazy. All I need, hopefully Tradeify gets their journal fixed today, because I was not able to post in the community discussion yesterday because the journal wasn't working, so I couldn't take a photo. But man, the past couple days been printing. Well, this whole month we've actually been printing. Thank you, Time. But we built the bull flag on the 5 minute there. Not a really good looking bull flag, I'll say, but a bull flag's a bull flag. We're coming up on 11 o'clock as well. Less than 5 minutes now. Solid day in the markets, folks. Hopefully all you guys are staying safe in the markets today as well. Let me see. Do I have any like evals or anything I could just trade just to trade? Interesting. Anthony, I like it with more volatility, to be honest with you, but the strategy works across the board. Because honestly, for a flag, the way I trade with flags, you don't want to trade consolidation. But the Renko bars will show you when the price is starting to consolidate so you can prepare for the move. All right, looks like we're getting ready to print another bull flag on the 2-minute. Let's see if the bears could keep this candle red. And also, Anthony, it does not matter if the market's going up or down. The strategy simply works. Does not matter if we're going up or down. The flags always print. Tonight, we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to talk trading. We're going to talk life and everything freaking in between, folks. Make sure you come out. We always get a lot of good questions, lots of great conversations. And it's honestly just a vibe. It's just a vibe. We're not up here in the office. We're downstairs sitting poolside with a fire pit going. Just straight vibe and talking trading. So come hang out with us so we can learn and grow together. Like, I'm tempted right now. I'm tempted to switch over to a different account, but I'm not going to do it. I'm done trading for today. We are looking like a bull flag on the 2-minute. We have that VWAP right above us as well, so that would be my target. I would be targeting that VWAP. VWAP's currently sitting up at 271.25, 271.25 for that VWAP. But $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. I think today, once my trading journal, actually, I'm gonna do it old school real quick. I'm gonna do it old school here. Will that be visible for you guys? Oh, our music's out. We went through 2 playlists today. That's crazy. So that's what I made today. Let me see if the people on the short stream can see it as well. All right, for the folks on the shorts, they can't see it. But if you're on the horizontal stream, you can see that's what I did today in the markets. Let me add it up so I can see how much we made today. Since the trading journal with Tradeify is not working currently. So, not too shabby. $4,000 a day. We'll definitely take that. I think we could live with a $4,000 day. That works. I like a $4,000 day. $4,000 a day keeps the bills away. That's my new line. How much are you trading with to make 1K per day? Vaughn, I trade with prop firms. I trade with prop firms so that way you don't have to risk your own personal money. So for a prop firm account, you literally pay $100. So off that $100, you can literally print $1,000 each and every day with a solid strategy. Today we did over $4 grand. Oh man, what a day. What a bit. And it didn't even feel like I honestly, I made $4 grand just rotating, not even copy trading. That's the perks of a solid strategy, right? You don't have to copy trade. You can literally just rotate and keep printing money. It is 11:02 now. Okay. That worked. That freaking worked. All right, so we just printed a bear flag there on the 2 minute, but I'll be slightly hesitant only because we may end up building out on the higher time frame of bull flag. But on the 2 minute, we did just do a small little bear flag right there. Whatever. Possibly. I probably got another like 10 more minutes on stream and then I'm gonna be jumping off. Gotta handle some things for one of the businesses today. I am so ready to go to Mexico. Like, I can't wait for Sunday because we're going to our trader hangout on Sunday is going to be crazy. Not crazy because we've done hangouts in Mexico before, but we're going to be back in Mexico. So the streams when I'm in Mexico for the night streams will most likely be starting at 10 p.m. Possibly 10 p.m. But I'll let you guys know later this week. Right now, we're sitting right on top of this 21 EMA. That we have to lose in order for us to continue down here. Don't want to act as support.
Damn.
What's up, Steve? Welcome back.
Thank you, brother. I had to run and take care of something, but I'm back.
No, you're good. You're good.
I didn't want you to think that I'm giving up. You know,
Oh, no. Whenever you leave the stream, I do not think you're giving up. I just think something else came up.
You got it, baby.
Yeah, at this point, I'm mentally done trading. I'm done trading for today. So I'll probably be jumping off here 4 more minutes, getting off at 11:10 today. I want to stay longer with y'all, but I didn't sleep well last night. I woke up feeling like kind of like bro.
Well, you have like acid reflux?
No, it's not acid reflux, but whenever I drink orange juice since I've been on the carnivore, I get horrible sleep.
Well, here, I mean, just think about your glycemic index because you're drinking like a solid fruit sugar, and you're running a carnivore diet. That's it right there, baby.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna quit drinking the orange juice because I hate waking up like I was out drinking all night. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the worst feeling, drinking orange juice with nothing else in it.
I mean, unless you put bone broth in it to cut it instead of a drink, then you could do it.
That does not sound appealing whatsoever. Times, good job on the 900.
I didn't post in the fitness thing, but I started a hypertrophy program, so.
Nice. Yeah. Post around that front page. Around that front page. That's where everyone posts on.
Yeah, okay, you got it. I'll put it there.
Anthony, I have no clue, man. I have no clue. My stomach's definitely changed because I've been doing the carnivore now for over a year and some change. So a lot of things that I used to like back in the day, if I do them now, the body does not like it.
You're like, I'm gonna eat this whole pizza. I'm on break, and you eat like one piece. You're like, oh god, I'm full.
I will eat pizza while I'm in Mexico.
I know, you're gonna live stream it.
I could do that for a hangout. Eat room service with y'all.
That's bougie as fuck.
Whatever you say. It's bougie. But some people on the night streams are like, hey, you should do a mukbang. I'm like, absolutely not. Like, I don't want to sit here and have people watching me eat. I feel awkward.
People paying you to watch you eat, and it turns weird. And I don't want to know about that.
Have a good one, Anthony. Solid day today in the markets. We'll take it. We shall take it.
Mr. G.
He's in here. He's just quiet.
Yo, what's up?
I think he left.
He's busy getting money.
Gee, how much you make today?
I made $27.50.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. That's awesome.
That was like an hour ago. I'm chilling.
Hey, nothing wrong with chilling after you make your bread. Are you getting closer to a payout?
Closer to the budget.
Okay. Base hits. I know it is. He wasn't on stream today. He just got funded yesterday.
But yeah, 100 or 150? G.
100K.
Nice.
I'm like $800 away from six grand.
Nice.
That's awesome. Are you doing the 2 contracts on the 100, or you're doing like more?
On Lucid too.
Okay, nice.
And the other one is I need to get like 5, almost 4.5, 4, 5 more on Traderify. I got
Okay.
on Traderify.
You what do you call it? You doing 16 contracts?
No. I'm doing 2.
Okay, nice.
2 that's it. There's 2. No, it's 2. That was 4. Oh man, it would have been an awesome day. Oh my goodness.
It's already an awesome day.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It's already an awesome day.
Dude, you're balling.
But man, the crazy thing is, I saw the setup before the market even opened. Like I looked, I seen it like before the market opened. I remember Duane. Remember I said, "Damn, the market was like up."
Yeah.
I was calling it. I was like, man, I think it was gonna sell. And then, I didn't know it was gonna sell that deep, but now it's on a little slow range back up, which I know is a little bit doing now.
Yeah. Well, we're printing that's a bull flag on that 5-minute.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I gotta go.
All right, Moose.
All right.
Have a good one, Vaughn.
You too.
I think about getting a take profit, a 50K. A 50K one. Oh, 75.
Yeah, I think I'm 11:15. I'm gonna jump off here as well. Call it a day. I gotta handle some stuff for the business.
And you're gonna go work out too?
I am working out today. Actually, thank God you reminded me. Today's Wednesday. I gotta pick my kids up early today, so thank God I remember that. They've been sitting at school. Where's Dad at?
Hey, as a father in Florida, that happened to me. Like I'm all the way across town. I got plenty of time, and it's like something clicks. I got like 21 minutes to get from like 1792 above Lake Mary to like pick up at a local like Longwood school. It's like.
And that's the worst, right? Because that happened to me multiple times. I'm not ashamed to say it. I have forgotten what day it was for the week. And the oh-ish moment has, today's Wednesday. They get out early.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta hurry up. I'll be in the gym like full set, and I just like grab myself and run out because I gotta go pick them up. Because
it's like one of those horror movies where the music starts and like, oh no, and it's just like every red light, like hurry.
Yep. Or you get that crazy accident that's not even an accident, stopping everything. It's like, really? Right now when I need to go? Really?
Yeah, somebody like parked at the side of the road with their hood up, and everybody just has to take a look. Whoa, is that a 2003 Ford? Wow, let's look at it really nicely.
Yeah. Have a good one, Andre. Yeah. But I'm glad I just remembered that. So.
What? I mean, it's I feel you. I'm past that now, thankfully. You know, I mean, it's like. But man, when they were in 3 separate schools, it was like insanity sometimes.
Yeah. Trying to juggle that it's a job in its own, because you're like, what time do they get out? And then, but they get out at this one at 3, that one at 2. Okay, let me hurry up.
Yeah, and then it's like, oh, this event is happening, and they're doing this, and then they're doing that, and it's like, oh, yeah.
Is that the myths are true? BP's in the chat. Is that a broken down Toyota? The myths are true after all. Well, guys, it's been a pleasure. I will see most of you guys tonight on the Traders Hangout. Legacy family, love you guys. Stay safe, and I will catch you on the next stream, boys.
Sounds good.
All right,
market makers.
Later.
Later.
And for the YouTube stream, a quick reminder, tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, we go live for the Traders Hangout. Come vibe with us, come learn with us, and come grow with us. Have a good one, BP, and everyone else in the chat. Appreciate y'all tuning in. I will catch y'all tonight. Be blessed.